My name is Kelly O'Sullivan, and I'm one of the co-founders of Smart School Shoes, along with McKenzie and Charne Verster. We were part of the UCT Genesis program, postgraduate in specialized management and entrepreneurship last year, and the topic was helping unemployed youth in South Africa. And that's what Stuart Henry really taught us, is to first find a problem and then you find the solution. To put ourselves in different situations, we did a couple of tours, went to different environments, and we just tried to see what is a need, what are people struggling with, and what exactly can we do to help. School shoes at the end of the day is a financial strain on families, and especially for single mothers who have multiple children, they have to buy multiple shoes multiple times a year.
Smart School Shoes is a patented, trademarked, world-first school shoe. It's the only school shoe that increases up to 3 sizes. It has a smart tag embedded in the shoe and a reflective heel strip for children walking to and from school in the dark. It has a pin that you pull out, increase the size, and put the pin back in. So there's 3 sizing increments.
If you want a size 3, you'll screw the pin into size 3 and tighten it. Then, once you grow up to size 4, you just simply unscrew the pin, you simply take the heel one side back, and then you screw the pin into that size, and then same for size 5.
We took part in the Absa Innovation Challenge. We placed 5th nationally, winning 50,000 Rand. We also won the UCT Genesis Award, a massive trophy, which we were very happy about. We also took part in Enactus, which is an entrepreneurial body at all universities. We placed 2nd nationally there in the early stage competition. So we've done pretty well. I'm very proud of us. So we're still currently working on price. It all comes down to our bill of materials and our manufacturing processes. We're very lucky to be working with Pick n Pay and have been connected with their manufacturer. But we are looking to come in at a really good market price because this is a social impact project. We don't want to price these shoes out of the budgets of the people who it will most impact. We've relied heavily on Mr. Stuart Henry. He's the convener of the Genesis project. Another backer of ours has been Miss Nadia Vahi. She's heading up career services. The two of them have been instrumental in our journey. They inspire us a lot. They push us a lot. Nadia is the one who pushed us to enter all the competitions. The Absa Innovation Challenge in Johannesburg, she was there with us, supporting us.
So our long-term vision would be to have the shoe obviously as many places as possible. We are currently talking to a retail partner, and hopefully if all of that goes well, you'll be seeing our shoes in a few clothing stores and shoe stores.
We really are an environment for fostering and nurturing innovators and entrepreneurs, and I think that's why students are so successful.
At the end of the day, we have to thank UCT for this wonderful experience that we've had and that we were able to do this. Because during the UCT Genesis program, we had amazing help from our course convener. We had an advisory board who helped us. And I think, at the end of the day, to know nothing about shoes, know nothing about the manufacturing process, and then helping us to achieve our goals and this wonderful accomplishment that we were able to do. So yeah, I really recommend the program to anyone that wants to start a business. They want to make real change out there, and they just want to start a business. It's great to receive such great support.
Overall, I'm proud. I'm proud to be a graduate of UCT. I'm grateful to UCT for all the opportunities that they've given me, and I'm excited to graduate.